Judge denied a federal agent accused of sexual assault from removing his GPS monitoring device. Court records go even further to accuse David Charlotte of using his badge off hours to intimidate victims. Julia Fellow was in court when a victim impact letter was read aloud to stop him from getting his monitor removed. Julia?
That's right, Vince. And a victim's advocate told me, who's not connected to this case, that one of the hardest things to do is for a victim to actually be in court and face the person who has assaulted them. One of the alleged victims in this case was in court just yesterday, where her impact statement was read aloud.
The man at the center of 5 felony charges is a federal agent. David Charlotte's lawyer tells me the 53-year-old works in high-profile diplomatic security protection for the State Department. A letter by one of the alleged victims was read aloud by prosecutors, which said, in part, "I have had to endure countless doctor's appointments, procedures, and post-op checkups on top of trauma therapy." The sexual assault allegations are too graphic for television. His 3 accusers claimed that he tried to get away with it by asserting his power. Court records claim he said, "Do you know who I am? I'm a federal agent."
The only threats are coming from the accusers, not from him.
The prosecutor says that the alleged victims apparently said that if they said anything, that your defendant would hurt them or kill them.
That's not true. I mean, that's part of the allegations.
I will kill you if you come forward. Right. Do you hear that a lot?
Oh, we do. I mean, that's incredibly common.
The executive director of the Women's Center in Waukesha tells us fear of retaliation is a real thing, especially if a person has power.
We would never want someone to take those words lightly, because it can mean the difference between life and death.
Charlotte's defense attorney claims all of the allegations against him were consensual.
Between 2 individuals who were exceedingly intoxicated. End of story.
Charlotte has been on administrative leave from the U.S. State Department for the past 3 years because of this case. The Women's Center wants you to know that they can always help you, including connecting you with resources for navigating the justice system, and they'll also physically be in court during a trial. If need be, you can call them and reach them at the number on your screen. That's 262-542-3828. Reporting live in Waukesha, Julia Fellow, today's TMJ4.